Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're in Ads Manager and you've selected the campaign and ad set. Now focus on targeting. First, open the ad set level settings and locate locations. Once there, type the city, region, or country you want to target so the include list is correct. Make sure the targeting radius and location type are set as intended. That affects how exclusion behaves. Save this baseline before excluding anything so you don't remove desired reach by mistake. Now remove unwanted areas. Click the Exclude button in Locations and type the place names, ZIP codes, or drop a pin for a custom area. You can change the radius to kilometers or miles for tighter control. Smaller radii reduce accidental overlap. Repeat to add multiple excludes and watch the estimated audience size update on the right. This helps you balance reach. Once you've added exclusions, double-check that they don't accidentally overlap with included locations. Finish by reviewing delivery and audience insights to confirm exclusions worked and your potential reach remains viable. If you see an unexpected reach drop, make sure excluded polygons or radii didn't cover included areas. Loosen the radius or remove the smallest excludes to recover scale. Always test changes by duplicating the ad set or running a low-budget test to compare performance. Troubleshooting tip. If exclusions aren't applying, clear browser cache or use another browser. Sometimes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.